This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Daniel Arteaga. Beautiful remodeled unit. Spacious floor plan, unit is tastefully furnished, elegant and functional. View of the canal. This is a very quiet 55-plus community, one occupant has to be 55 years old. THISCOMPLEX is inside the gated community of Eastern Shores, walking distance to shopping center, cinemas, restaurants, just 1.5 miles from the beach. Very close to AVENTURA Mall, hospitals and highway access, right next to Sunny Isles. For more information, review the details below.